Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing some secret tips to crack the AIB exam. As in the last 18th AIB exam, 75 students have failed. It is very shocking news. They are not even qualified to score 45 marks. So this year, if you are appearing for the AIB-19 examination, do share this video. There are some topics and targets that you need to cover. So first one is you need to target the subjects. So let's see which all the subject you need to target. There are some important and major subjects that need to be targeted. So the first one is constitutional law for 10 marks. There are some important topics that you need to cover of the constitutional law. And the second one is IPC, old law and new law BNS, which comes for 8 marks. The next one is CRPC, and the new one is BNSS, which is also for 10 marks. So here you need to study both the laws, new and as well as the old laws. And next comes the CPC, which is also for 10 marks. And the next one is Evidence Act, BNA, BSA for 8 marks. So when you cover all these topics, you get almost 46. You get 46 marks. The next one is public interest litigation, which comes for 4 marks. This you can study by solving the previous year question papers or any 4 articles. You can search in Google and you just study it. You can easily score 4 marks. The next one is administrative law or administration law. So here you need to cover up the some of the topics like judicial review, natural justice, delegated legislation. These are few topics that you need to cover up, and if you study constitutional, you can easily score this. Then comes the family law. In family law, you can easily score by studying Hindu law, Muslim law, adoption, Hindu Succession Act. These few topics, if you cover, you get 8 marks. It is very easy. Now I will let you know which all the topics you can study if you want, but it is not very important. Company law, no need to study. Environmental law, no need to study. Cyber law, no need to study. Labor and industrial laws. Here there are some few topics that you need to cover, which comes for 4 marks. I will let you know in the next videos which are the important topics of the labor and industrial laws. Then comes law of thoughts. There are some doctrines that you need to study. Then comes Motor Vehicle Act, Consumer Protection Act. This all no need to study. Law of taxation, no need to study. This it is important. Law of contract, specific relief, property laws, Negotiable Instrument Act. This comes for 8 marks, and these are all Bail Act questions. You get questions from Bail Act itself, so please do study this. Then no need to study the Land Acquisition Act, intellectual property right, no need to study. So these are the topics that you need to cover: constitutional law, IPC, old, new, CRPC, old and new, CPC, Evidence Act, old and new, family law, public interest litigation, administrative law, labor and industrial law, law of tort, law of contract, specific relief, property law, negotiable instrument act. These are the topics here you need to cover, and you can easily pass the examination. Second topic is target the direct questions first. In the question paper, you can see 30 to 35 questions are direct. So just first solve these types of questions. First one is in the question section article number plus act name. So here is the example. In this question you can see section 2 clause Q of the Industrial Dispute Act provides the definition of. So here are the some option. You need to check in the bare act the what section 2 clause Q defines about. So the answer is strike. Here is the next example, the sections with the title. Which section of the Advocate Act provides punishment for misconduct of advocates? Here are some options. You need to search in the bare acts the options. The correct answer is section 35. So now we have covered the second topic. Let's move to the next topic. Any guesses? So the third topic is to practice the previous year question paper, and it is very important. Solve at least previous 5 years question papers. You can score easily 15 to 20 These are marks. The important topics, tricks to pass the AIB exam. Hope you like this. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.